This is the latest installment of the Never Ending Story, or otherwise known as Renovations. So we've got this backyard section here done pretty nicely now. I've got a few cracked, I don't know whether you can see it, a couple of cracked tiles and stuff like that. I'm not that concerned about it. I personally believe that's a bit low anyway, so at a future date I'm going to put new tiles over and above those cracked ones and raise this whole thing up with stone around it. Put a few more tiles through the middle there. In reality, it should be, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, I've got 6 tiles, 2 rows of 3. It actually should be 3 rows of 4 for the spacing to work out properly. But that's the plant that we showed recently when I was at the nursery, which we got. My wife comes home every now and then, and all of a sudden we've got new plants. But that one was a bit big, so she couldn't pick it up on the motorbike, so we got that there. So that's pretty good. That's worked out nicely. I've got a pipe there. I don't know whether you can see it, but there's a pipe there. That's the overflow for the water tank. So the water literally lands just here, which is nice. I end up having an outdoor shower for night time. I just find that much more pleasant. We filled up through here a bit more, so got a little bit more, things are a little bit more tidy, which is good. I want to clean that up a bit. I'm not particularly too happy with that area there, but we did, as with all renovations, you do get your odd little surprises. So if I just turn these things on and come in here, so we had a really nasty leak up in that area there. Well, that there's now fixed. It's good. We had a really massive downpour, like pretty heavy rain, wet season style rain, which is good because that actually showed up another leak here which wasn't visible before. The rain wasn't heavy enough. We got a pretty bad leak through there which got showed up, and a leak through there. Now, being in the dry season, having that sort of rain was actually a blessing in disguise, because what it meant is that we found the leaks, everything dried out. I can get the guy there on Monday to come back on Monday, and he can try and find those leaks and clean those things up. So that's the backyard mostly done. Personally, I'd rather be completely done, but you know, that's never going to be the case. It's always going to be something. We've now got this door here, which we actually got made. It's a sliding door, so that literally closes off this front room here. So it gives a bit more privacy between the front and the back. We had a GPO that was here and a shelf that was here. That's now been put on the other side of this wall. This here door actually slides pretty well. I'm quite happy with it. The only real downside is he had to do it level with the floor so the thing can slide, and as you can see, I mean, nothing here is square. I mean, really, you just have to move on, live with it and move on, don't worry about it. The front section here is pretty good. We actually like this section here, quite nice. We filled up a bit more, filled up in through here a fair bit. We have left it down a little bit low because the afternoon sun sits on it there and just provides a little bit of more shade for the late afternoon sun for the plants that we got in here. So we're looking at maybe growing some herbs and some vegetables there. That there screen was on the back, at the back of the house. We've put that at the front to provide a bit of protection for the afternoon sun against the car. And so that's pretty well where we are at this point in time. Now, it's not, I don't know how to put it, it's not really there's so much more to be done, and it's not funny, but you know what, I'm actually happy with the way it is. And if we don't do any more, and this is our last video for the renovation, you know, I'm more than happy with that. But I don't know, all husbands out there probably will understand this. It's never going to end. That's just the way it is. Anyway, if it wasn't for my wife, I'd be living in a lot worse of a place. So I actually get the benefit of what she wants to do, so that's good. Anyway, all the only thing left to say is cheers.